So let's take a quick look at AUD USD for today, which is for the 3rd of March. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. So when you take a look at this daily time frame, right, we are kind of not really getting a much movement on AUD USD. I am expecting it to actually, literally drop. I would love to see it actually drop to take out these lows, which is a level of 0.66. Currently, we are trading at 0.67. But the market is kind of reacting in a certain way that we can't really predict the movement. Probably as from next week, we should expect this drop. One of the reasons why market is behaving this way is one, this week, actually the first week of the month. So basically, this is how markets usually react to, and basically I actually don't really trade during this time. So this is one of the reasons why markets is reacting this way. So if you want to know what this market will be doing today, I think you should actually go ahead and trade with this way market is doing. So we should see it actually go bullish, then we expect market to actually drop again to tap this support level. So let's see it give us a bullish move of about 20 pips or 30 pips. If you can get about 20 to 30 pips, then we should go ahead and sell to take out this loss. So let's see if markets will continue to range within this level. As markets is ranging, we can sit on this 4-hour time frame. We can see that market is actually ranging within this level. So let's see if markets continue to range within this level. See probably a breakout, actually plays out, which I think it will actually play out next week. So for this week, I doubt if we are going to have that breakout. But let's see how markets will actually react. By the way, so to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in the comment section. I want you to actually subscribe, give it a try, right? Just give it a try of 1 month. I'm going to be putting out a probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. So once you subscribe, you'll be able to get access to all those trades that I am putting there. So the link will be in the comment section, by the way.